Antibiotics are a common go-to for fighting bacterial infections, but they can also disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria in your gut, and that's when probiotics come into play. But you may have some concerns while combining probiotics and antibiotics, right? Hey guys, it's Marcus from Healthnews. Today, we'll clear the air as we're diving deep into the relationship between antibiotics and probiotics. And if you're curious about which probiotic to choose, we've got top recommendations coming up. Let's get started. First of all, why is it important to take probiotics while using antibiotics? Antibiotics are a group of pharmaceuticals designed to treat bacterial infections. Antibiotics can have two different effects on the pathogenic bacteria. The first one is to kill them, and the second one is to prevent their growth. However, broad-spectrum antibiotics often don't choose between harmful pathogens and the beneficial bacteria that reside in our gut, and that can cause some side effects, such as diarrhea, nausea, dizziness, and rash. In fact, diarrhea and abdominal discomfort are the most common antibiotic side effects, and this predominantly stems from bacterial imbalance in the gut. Furthermore, after antibiotic treatment, microflora in various parts of the body, such as in the mouth, gut, or vagina, can go out of balance, leading to various health concerns. The good news is that these concerns may be avoided with probiotics, which can be beneficial in helping repopulate a disbalanced microflora. Alright, let's move to another question. How do probiotics and antibiotics interact with each other? Now, you probably want to understand the interaction between probiotics and antibiotics if you are considering taking both. It's a common misconception that probiotics and antibiotics might counteract each other. In reality, they serve distinct purposes. While antibiotics are busy clearing out bacterial infections, probiotics claim to maintain or restore a healthy balance of gut bacteria. What you need to keep in mind is that probiotics and antibiotics don't interact with each other in a similar manner like drugs interact with other drugs or nutrients, meaning the use of probiotics doesn't alter the effect of antibiotics. Instead, probiotics may complement antibiotics by helping prevent some of the antibiotic side effects. However, we strongly recommend consulting with a healthcare professional before taking probiotics with antibiotics. But is it safe to take probiotics with antibiotics? Safety is a primary concern for many when considering taking supplements or medications. For most people, taking probiotics with antibiotics is not only safe, but also recommended. However, as with any health decision, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. In some cases, probiotics will be recommended to be started as soon as antibiotics are administered, while in other cases, your doctor may recommend finishing the antibiotics course first, and then introducing probiotics to repopulate your gut microbiota. Now, what guidelines should a person follow to maximize the benefits of taking probiotics alongside antibiotics? When considering taking probiotics with antibiotics, it's essential to follow specific guidelines to maximize the benefits and ensure safety. Here are some key points to consider. Consultation. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting probiotics, especially when on antibiotics. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. Timing. While it's beneficial to take probiotics when on antibiotics, consider the timing. Some experts suggest waiting a couple of hours after taking antibiotics before consuming probiotics. This can help ensure that the antibiotics don't immediately affect the probiotics. Strain selection. Not all probiotics are the same. Different strains offer different benefits. Depending on your needs and the type of antibiotic you're on, certain strains might be more beneficial. Consult with a healthcare professional to choose the right one. Dietary considerations. Alongside probiotic supplements, consider incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables can support gut health. Duration. Consider continuing the probiotic supplementation for several weeks after completing the antibiotic course, as it may take up to several months for the gut microbiome to be fully restored. Okay, so in this list, I mentioned strain selection, so let's talk about it a little bit more. So what specific probiotic products or strains should a person take while on antibiotics? Before going more in depth about probiotic products, I want to point out main factors to consider when choosing them. Firstly, strains. look for products that offer a variety of strains. Different strains provide different benefits. Secondly, CFU count. This indicates the number of live and active microorganisms in the probiotic. A higher count isn't always better, but it's essential to choose a product with a count that's been proven effective. Thirdly, formulation. Some probiotic supplements are formulated to be more resilient while passing through the gastrointestinal tract, ensuring they reach the gut. Now, we understand that when it comes to choosing the right probiotic for you, especially when on antibiotics, the number of options can be overwhelming. So, we made the list of standout probiotic products for you to consider. First one is Ritual Synbiotic Plus. This specific product is designed to target bacterial imbalance in the gut and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Ritual Synbiotic Plus also may support relief of occasional discomforts such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. The second probiotic on our list is Your Biology Gut Plus. This product stands out for its diverse range of strains. Diversity can be crucial for a balanced gut, especially after a course of antibiotics that might have reduced the variety of beneficial bacteria. So, while there are many probiotics available, can offer some benefits by helping repopulate microbiome in the gut, especially when taken alongside antibiotics. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. That wraps up our deep dive into antibiotics and probiotics. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Healthnews channel for more expert insights. Stay informed and make choices that best support your well-being. Until next time, and take care.